All right, so today we have something very special. I've wanted a product like this since I was like 7 years old. I have wanted this thing since I was a child. And you can probably tell by the front of the box what it relates to. It's Optimus Prime. And it's not a regular Optimus Prime. It's made by a company that makes programmable robots. And it apparently does a lot of cool stuff. All right, so I haven't opened anything. I haven't even read up on this thing. I wanted this to be a very kind of organic experience for all of us. Come out, childhood dreams. Okay, I'm sweating. I'm so excited. So, it's a collector's edition on this particular unit. It comes in a black box. You can see him right on the box. Dude, this looks so cool. I'm actually surprised it's a black box. I thought it'd be like the red and blue, the classic Optimus Prime colors, but this is so much cooler. It looks so much more collector's edition. And okay, I gotta read this. I can't read it like that. Woo! All right, voice-controlled interactive play, manual control via mobile app. There's missions apparently, and an action library. All right, I'm going into this thing. It comes in a case, like a foam. This feels like a DJI drone. I'm surprised they put so much attention into the packaging, man. Okay, latch 1, 2, and then I'm assuming that it pops up. Okay, here we go. I feel like I'm giving birth to a robot. Come out! Yes! Okay. How do we do this? Oh, he's heavy. Okay, where do I put him? Okay, let's put him like this. Oh, did you hear that? There's like servos in there. Oh, he's gonna do good stuff. He's a lot bigger than I thought he'd be. Because I've seen Roboson's regular robots. They're actually a little bit smaller than this, quite a bit smaller than this. But he looks just like Optimus. Look at this thing. This is straight up like original cartoon. This is it. This is what Optimus looks like. And the colors and like the kind of details on him. Okay, let's start. Okay, I guess we start peeling. No, we don't need to peel. I gotta figure out how he works. I don't wanna break him. Power on. Hold down for 5 seconds to start him up. I hope he comes charged. So hold on for 5 seconds to start him up.
Greetings. I am Optimus Prime.
Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Convert.
Right hand is stuck. Reboot to restore.
Oh.
Reboot to restore.
Okay, I got you, Optimus. I'll reboot you.
Left hand is stuck.
Okay, do I just turn him off?
Right hand is stuck.
Okay, we turn him off.
Reboot
Chill.
to restore.
Chill. I got you, dude. I'll reboot you. Okay. So I gotta untape him. Absolutely. All right. I think I have all the tape off. I'm gonna reboot him.
I am the leader of the Autobots.
Okay. He's resetting back to his normal state, I assume. Okay. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Convert. Yes. Oh my. Oh, he's backwards. He spins. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, he's a lot taller than I thought he'd be based on his truck form. He's so cool. And it feels like he's moving. Like there's a bit of, he's like swaying a little. I'll just go through a couple of the cool sounding ones. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Victory.
Knowledge is the pathway to victory.
Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Attack.
Prepare for battle.
He's got some moves. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Engage.
Do not let the Decepticons win the war.
The moment he started doing that, I knew he was missing something. Oh, the classic. His blaster and his axe. Okay. There we go. And axe on that side? Okay. Now he's ready. Engage.
Do not let the Decepticons win the war.
Yes. The other thing, the movement, it's all done through like the servos and the mechanics in here. It feels clean. He's got a bunch of other voice commands, and there's an app. You have to download the app, and it's got stuff. Hey, Optimus Prime.
Greetings.
Roll out.
Wheel is stuck. Wheel is stuck.
Oh my god, I'm doing such a disservice to this thing. He is so cool, but he should not be unboxed and played with on a table. You just need the room. Okay, I'm gonna get the app and I'm gonna see, maybe we'll shoot some of this on the floor. Okay, so I've installed the app. It was available on the Google Play Store, but you can get it on the iOS App Store if that's the device you're using. And I looked into the instruction manual just to see if there's any kind of guidance as to how to use this thing, but it's all in the app apparently, so I don't really know what's going on here. But we shall find out.
The Transformers, more than meets the eye.
Yes.
The Transformers.
Absolutely. You know what? For you, Optimus Prime, I'll give you access. Connect. Does this have to be on? He's on. Connect.
Connection complete.
That was quick. Actions. Remote control. Remote control. Create and missions. We have hero pose. Hero pose. The warning. Oh,
All or one.
I love you, Optimus. Dude, I would have loved this thing as a kid. Holy smokes. I think I want to try driving him in the remote control. Okay, let's just hop him to the floor.
Let's roll. Let's roll.
Oh my god!
Let's go.
No way! He moves, dude! Oh my god! That looks very wobbly. Alright, cool.
Let's roll.
Right thigh is stuck. Reboot to restore. Right thigh is stuck.
So that's Optimus Prime. He is a blast to play with. Just be careful if you have really slick floors and don't play with him on a table. Like, this is just asking for trouble. Don't worry, Optimus. I got you, buddy. I'll take good care of you.